Welcome back, guys. This is Dipen from Pune for Dipen Nisar Auto Vlogs. That is my channel name. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a very quick and mini review of the Benelli 302R. So not wasting much time, let's begin. So basically, I was on a ride with my club, Benelli Owners Club Pune members to Goa. We were like 5-6 of them, and I'll be doing a vlog on that too soon. I'll roll it out soon. So that's where I had taken my 600i to Goa. I was planning to take it, and the friend who owns this bike, Joy, was also along. He was headed to Kolhapur, and it was quite chilly on the Friday morning, 4th of Jan, where I couldn't withstand the cold, and I was feeling very tired very soon. Like we made 5-6 stops before we reached Kolhapur, so I was not able to handle 600i very well. I mean, it's been quite long that I took the 600i on long rides, and so maybe that's probably where and why it made me tired. So at Kolhapur, I got a wild thought of exchanging my bike, where I told my friend, let me take this to Goa and he can take my 600i to his place. So we exchanged the bikes, and from there on it was a bliss for me on this bike. I rode happily all the way to Goa and back to Pune. So approximately 200 plus 450, it was like 650 kilometers I did on this bike. Absolutely lightweight, flickable, easily maneuverable. At many stretches I did approximately 130, 140, and again that were effortless. There was very less wind blast, because if you see this front portion, it is quite huge, and the air was at the speeds of 70-80. The air was like I was riding at this height, and the air was hitting me above shoulders, but manageable. Again at 140 plus, 130 to 140. I didn't go beyond 140 anywhere. I didn't get a chance. But between 130 and 140, also the wind blast was bearable. I mean, way too less compared to my 600i. So that was one thing about wind blast maneuverability. While coming back, there was one thing which I liked was the headlights. They absolutely impressed me. From the past bikes that I've owned, be it the Pulsar 180 or the Apache or my Benelli or my Dominar, I absolutely loved the headlights part from this bike. When you're running the bike, the low beam is always on. This has got AOH, so, and the low beam has got very good spread. I'll try to take a video clip again at the night and show you guys the spread of the light. So once you turn on the high beam, the low beam does not turn off. The high beam adds to it. So that's one big advantage. There was quite good oncoming traffic, oncoming headlights, hurting me. But because of this low and high beam on this bike, I was able to manage to run at 100 plus speeds. The lights made the road visible clearly, and they're not white lights, they're yellow lights. So the spread was firm and better. I like the yellow lights way better than the white ones. No offense to anyone. So that's about the lights and maneuverability, fuel efficiency. What else? So there was one difficult part for me, where my palms started aching a lot. If I was riding at high speeds, I was holding the bike firmly, and I was resting a bit on the bike on the front handlebar. That's where my palms started aching me. But when I was riding at ease, like 70, 80s, I was able to sit upright on the bike. Not leaning forward, sit upright, and my hands were reaching the handlebar quite easily. So that was one drawback that I saw in myself, where if I had to lean on the bike or hold the handle firmly and ride and lean on the handle, that is a drawback for me, that the hands started paining very soon. So that's it. I wanted to speak about the points, a quick review. If you guys have any questions regarding the bike, you can let me know and I'll try to answer them. That's it. I'll be adding a small video for the setup that I've done on the bike. There'll be another video. In this same clip, I'll be adding a small. In the same video, I'll be adding a small clip, and there'll be another video for this Guardian Gears tank bag setup. So that's it from me. If you guys have any questions, please do add comments. And if any of you guys own the Benelli 302R, and if you have any feedback or comments regarding your bike or your rides, please do let me know.